Instagram. It's one of the most popular apps today, used by millions of people all around the globe. So what if you could actually get paid using it? Believe it or not, that is exactly what I'll show you in this step-by-step tutorial. But in order for this to work, you need to be patient and watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any of the sites and tips and tricks I'll be giving you. Just before we get to the video, however, if you like this type of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you don't want to miss more said videos, then make sure you click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you get notified when a new video pops up. With that said, guys, let's jump straight into the video itself. Alright, so let's get started, guys. Your first step that you need to take is to create your brand new Instagram account, which you will then set up as a page, and it can literally be a page about anything. It can be related to animals, for example, so a cat or a dog fan page or something. It can be related to memes. It can be related to sports, so a basketball page, for example. It literally does not make that much of a difference, because in this video, we won't be promoting anything as an affiliate or whatever. As an example, I created an animal page, as you can see. Now what you want to do with the said page is optimize it accordingly to the niche it is in. So set up a profile picture and a bio, and that's it. Your next step now is to come over to the next platform I'll be showing you in this video, which is none other than socialtradia.com. Now don't click off this video right away, guys, because this is not the only platform I'll be showing you today, and using Social Tradia alone won't get you paid, so keep watching. For those of you who don't know, let me briefly explain what this site is about. Social Tradia is a website where you can buy and sell Instagram accounts. And what we will be doing here is selling our Instagram accounts. So don't worry, you won't have to buy them whatsoever. But you might be thinking, how can we sell our Instagram account if it doesn't have any followers? Well, I got you covered, as in this video I will literally show you how to build an Instagram page with a couple thousand followers within minutes, and then sell it to make a big profit. And the amount of money you'll be able to make, I'll soon show you, and trust me, you'll be amazed. Also, I won't tell you to buy fake followers because that won't work. You need real followers in order to be able to make money with this website. In any case, if you scroll down, you will be able to see for how much money people are selling their Instagram accounts. And just check this out, guys. This account has 3,000 followers and is being sold for $150. So with just 3,000 followers, you can sell this and earn over $100 with ease. And accounts with more followers than that could easily be selling for $500 or so. And some really big pages you can see being sold for thousands of dollars. So there is a huge potential here, guys, to make a lot of money. And as you now see, it's really easy to do so. So with that said, as you know, we need followers in order to be able to sell our page. And there are 3 ways to obtain them. 1 is free. The other 2, you have to invest a tiny bit of money, but it's far more effective. So let me go ahead and show you the free way first. What you will need to do is find different pages similar to your own. You will do just that by typing in hashtag and then your niche. So if you're in the sports niche, type hashtag sports or hashtag football and so on and so forth. As you know, I am in the animal niche, so I typed in hashtag cats, as you can see. The reason you want to do this is because you will now see posts from various people about cats. Why is this important? Well, because the likes on said posts, the comments, and the followers of said pages are all cat and animal lovers. So chances are they will want to follow me as well. For that to happen, I just have to follow them, and I will appear in their notifications. And the majority of them will follow me back, because we know that they're already following a page that is quite similar to mine as well. Now what you can do is follow the people who liked the post and commented on it, but the best way, arguably, is to just go over to the page in question, click on the followers here, and just follow all of these people. And within like 20 minutes, you'll be following hundreds of people, and most of them will have followed you back by then. This, as you can see, guys, is a bit of a long process, and a very important fact that if you follow too many people too quickly, Instagram will prevent you from doing so for a few hours or something. So it could potentially take a couple of days for you to rack up enough followers in order to be able to sell your page. But as you've seen, it does pay off big time and could result in you earning hundreds of dollars, and you did not have to invest a dime into this. Now, in order for people to want to follow you, you will need posts on your page. And so the site that you will want to use for that is called Pexels.com. This site will allow you to download photos for absolutely free and use them however you want with full rights, so you won't get taken down for copyright. The alternative to this is just use downloadgram.com and download the photos other people are uploading on Instagram and then credit them when you post the photo. Both of these options are good, but I would recommend just using Downloadgram as it takes less effort since you don't have to find good photos and you just download ones that other people are posting. In any case, guys, this is the first and also free way to get followers for your page, so you can then sell it. The second way involves a site called influencercart.com. On this site, you can find people who run big pages on Instagram who will promote your own page for a very small amount of money. And believe it or not, guys, this works like crazy, because if you have a page with like 50,000 followers and they promote you, just 10% of people actually following you means you got 5,000 followers in an instant. Furthermore, this page offers, as you can see, a lot of different categories, and this is why I said in the beginning that it doesn't matter what your page is about. And as you can see, we have a pets and animal category here indeed. And here is the best part. You will easily find pages with thousands of followers that will promote you for as little as $5. This page, called Husky Forevers, has over 90,000 followers and will promote us for just a price of $10. And if you remember the prices over on Social Tradia, you will know that you just need a couple thousand followers in order to get paid over $100. So this has a huge potential, and the amount of money you invest is crazy small to the amount of money you earn. And this is just one page in one category I found. There are most likely others that offer an even better deal. Now I know, as some of you will say, this is not a free way to do this, but it can pay off big time. In case you don't have any money to invest in this, you can build a page for free like I showed you previously and then sell it for $50 or $100. You will then want to create another page, invest some of the money here to get promoted, and then sell that same page for more money. And you can do this over and over again, racking up a ton of money without investing any work whatsoever. Anyway, the third and last way you can do this is by simply buying real followers, and the best website for that is called viralrace.com. If you don't want to invest your money by promoting your Instagram account and you just want to get followers right away, then Viral Race is perfect for you. It will get you real followers quickly and for a cheap price. In any case, guys, whichever method you prefer, one thing applies to all of them. If you're a beginner and don't have any skills or have never made money online, this is one of the easiest and best ways to do it, period. Anyways, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, as always, show your appreciation by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to keep up to date with all my upcoming uploads, then make sure you click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon in some of my other videos.